Introducing the FlowMax, the flow-activated annular boost sub in the drill string. When drilling a well bore, drill cuttings are generated. The faster the drilling rate, the more cuttings need to be removed from the well bore. As hole inclination is added to the trajectory, additional flow rate is required to remove the drill cuttings from the hole. The FlowMax allows an on-demand increase in annular flow rate to improve hole cleaning, prevent settling of cutting beds, and allow for a much higher drilling rate. The FlowMax opens when the driller increases flow rate, diverting additional mud flow to the annulus while maintaining sufficient flow to the bottom hole assembly, mud motor, and drill bit. High flow rate keeps the FlowMax in an open position. When the pumps are stopped, the FlowMax closes automatically. There is no need to drop a ball or index the tool to operate the FlowMax. Additional flow rate to the annulus increases annular velocity and aids in removing drill cutting beds without appreciably increasing surface pump pressure. The FlowMax allows for higher drilling rates, improve hole cleaning, eliminate cutting beds, and greatly reduces the need for back reaming when pulling out of the hole, while significantly reducing surface pump pressure.